You all in car groups or?
Not really. You know, like I'm friends with all the out here people.
Yeah.
Other than that,
I know they like your car, huh? They like the car.
they make fun of it, to be honest. They don't like the four-cylinder.
A lot of people don't like it though, but like if you lose the one,
yeah, then they mad.
You feel like the MAP is the best intercooler to use for these cars?
It's a good value. I think ECS makes it good too.
ECS cooler?
We just go to the MAP kit. We got the intercooler, the charge pipes, the blow-off valve. What else is in our pipe? The down pipe is different. But they sell the whole intercooler and charge pipes
together?
Yes. And all the couplings, and they sell a blow-off valve with it for like $900.
For real?
But it's all 3-inch piping.
I see that, yeah.
Mechanical pump that's in the head. So that's really your main limit is the mechanical pump in the head. But you're gonna run out of, before you run out of injector, you run out of pump. So the best thing for more fuel is to do an auxiliary fuel kit. It's like a little throttle body spacer that mounts right here. It has a little jet in it and it splices directly off your high pressure pump to spray more fuel into the combustion chamber without having to do expensive stuff.
Right. You all feel like you can really feel a difference from the wintertime and the summertime?
Oh yeah. Wintertime, it's probably got about 30 horsepower. That cold air.
Yeah. Sucking in all that cool air.
Right now it's hot. It's like it goes. It don't want to go as much as it does.
It's so dry. Yeah. Have you always been a Mustang person, or?
My dad was a Chevy person. He was a Ford guy.
No, I'm a Chevy guy.
Now he is.
So like when you first bought it, you was like, I'm gonna get this car right. Or
It was this or an STI.
Okay.
Or the WRX. But what turned me away was the automatic. I got in here, whereas the STI WRX had a CVT.
Okay.
So that's why I went with this, because I drive this everywhere. I go to school in this and everything. So stick.
Are you in school and everything?
Nursing school.
Congratulations, yeah.
We out here all the time. It's all out if you ever out here again.
Yeah, my brother, he's about to put a full charge on the Challenger.
Oh Lord,
so we about to
roll out.
And he just got some headers and mid pipes and he about to cam it. So we about to start doing some more stuff. But I just got my Instagram decals and I'm about to put them on the car. But I didn't know how would it look to put white on there.
Definitely get you some catch cans if you ain't got them already.
I don't have it. I feel like there's probably so much oil that goes in the car.
Oh, it's bad.
I feel like I should have been bought it too. Like
You need to get two of them too.
two?
You need to get the CCV and the PCV.
Or you got your tail lights tinted. She got the carbon fiber in her.
She bought these somewhere online. They stick on.
Really?
It wasn't expensive at all. They stick on. It looks beautiful.
Okay, I know. I've seen those before. This is an EcoBoost.
Yeah. I do miss the low end when they had the stock turbo. Just that initial hit. Once it's going, this bitch is going.
Yeah, when it finally hit. Like when I go in the stand, I hit like 60 to 80.
That's when
it's like, yeah, and then it started go and then it hit a pull and start going 200 quick. That little turbo lag.
That little manual does pretty good in that car.
Yeah, it's been holding off pretty good. Like I like it, you know.
Shift smooth.
I I can throw it in there pretty quick. Sometimes I can bang it. Sometimes though I be having like a little bit, but I didn't learn how to drive until I got it.
Yeah. I love the 10 speed, how it keeps shifting. Like once you get over 100, it's still
going.
Because you got one shift at 100, one at 120, and then another one at 140. I ain't taking it too much higher. 140 drops like 150 or so, and I had to let out. I got a little scared.
Over it.
Yeah, it's real close. And this 150 is like you all over the road.
Man, I want my car like this so bad.
The big turbo kits you see online, like the Borg-Warners, you do need a kit for that because they're bigger, like a huge turbo, so you need different downpipe adapters and everything. But this one, factory frame turbo, so it's as far as like the exterior dimensions, it's pretty similar, so it bolts into the same place. It just got bigger turbines in it, so it makes more boost. But this turbo is supposed to be good for like 600 wheel horsepower, turned up all the way. The factory turbo, you good for about 400 or so. But I mean, this is about 400 wheel horsepower right here. So that's 400? That's about 400 wheel.
That feel like 5.
Yeah, you can get this though in that stock turbo if you do like meth injection and full bolt-ons, you know, with intercooler and everything. You can get this much power out of it. You're just pushing it a lot harder to get that.
You think it'll blow up?
People blow these cars up on the stock 2 and stock turbo because
that's something I think about all the time. Like,
does your car ever misfire? Does it ever kind of idle, kind of choppy?
No, to be honest with you, everybody talk about when you first get gas and like it'll go down below and like boom.
So we changed out. There's a low pressure fuel sensor. I'm gonna show it to you actually. You might need to look into this. They're faulty on some of these cars. If they go bad, it'll blow your car up. Because it'll tell the fuel pump that it's got enough pressure. When it doesn't, then it leans out. You can't lean out and boost the car. It kills it. It's really easy to change. I think it was like $30. Updated part number. You need to look into it. It's called the low pressure fuel sensor. You see right here?
Yeah.
That's the sensor right there. We're gonna change that out. We have a misfire issue. Like misfire bad. It'll start off randomly and that fixes it. That'll be the worst thing that you have memory core you and blow up.
So if I wanted to fix that, or just in case if I think like it right there too. If I think something's going on with it, or just to be safe.
You just probably Google that. Thank you for EcoBoost device, low pressure fuel sensor. And then that'll get you updated part number.
It's easy to fix.
Yeah, real easy. Just turn the car off, let it chill for a little while so the fuel pressure goes down. You can just go unplug it, back it out. You gotta hold this with a pressing wrench. Before you loosen it or you break it off. It's real easy. You know, put a towel down so you don't spill no fuel.
To be honest with you, man, I'm very outgoing.
Yeah.
I want so much in life in so many ways that I like to do everything.
Yeah.
It's a lot of stuff I want to do, so I really want to get my car like this. You know, it's inspiration. I knew it. You know,
it didn't cost a lot of much for it.
Like what you were doing, $1,000 $1,000.
If you're looking for just going to real horsepower,
this one I'm going to get
5.0's going to have about that stock, but you're doing so much more to get it.
You can 10s or more, 5 or 10s more. Yeah. And you can do that in this car with a 2 or 3 grand maybe.
Yeah, that's probably about it. About 3 grand.
So what is your recommendation on getting me the 400 horsepower wheel?
I'd say your best bet, as far as dollar and horsepower ratio, if you go to full bolt-on, so all the pipes, the intercooler, and then do methanol injection.
And that won't hurt the car?
No, methanol injection is good for the car because it's going to cool the fuel down, so it's going to cool everything down in like the intake charge, and it's going to add octane to it.
Does it automatically do it?
Yes, sir. It sprays itself in, like based on your throttle load and boost. It sprays more or less. And the tuner, the only thing about that, you do have to get accustomed to it.
Right.
But, you
and I'll be able to do that with the guy she sent me?
Yeah, he'll take care of it for you. He's real good. He has a lot of experience with the EcoBoost. He gets back to you quick. That's what I like about him.
I tried to get the oil change. Like I went to 3 weekends in a row. It took me the 4th weekend. So
by then you're going over it and everything. It's like, come on, man.
Right? Thank you for the ride.
No problem, man.
It's a pleasure to meet you. I definitely, once I get the YouTube going and I invest more into it and I get a better camera, I definitely want to get in do a video on yours car. We got a lot of cars like lined up with like a lot of Camaros, old cars. We want to have it to it's universal. Of course, we want to have a universal tour. It's not just people buying it and that's it. We want to have everybody. We want to have the muscle cars.
People build it take way more pride than people just write a check for it. If they just write a check for it, they don't care about it anyway.
Right? Yeah. So I love to do a video on you all's car. I feel like if you all had a YouTube on the car, it'll really be up there.
Nobody wants to share anything because everything's so proprietary, so to speak, you know? Everybody wants to keep their secrets, and it's not helping the industry, it's making it all worse, you know?
Especially when it comes to the car community.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But definitely go with a twin scroll turbo since you got a manual, because in between gear shifts, you're going to lose boost, so you don't want
I see what you're saying. It's not constantly off, you know?
So with automatic, it stays in boost once it's built, so it stays going, but that twin scroll will help you stay in power longer, or get into it sooner.
Thank you.
We'll probably buy a girl bite tea for lunch, though. It was a pleasure meeting you, buddy.
Thank you, man. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Good luck.
If you don't mind me asking, how old are you all?
I'm 22.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I'm 19.
19?
Yeah.
You're doing pretty good, man. How much longer you got in school?
I have 2 years. I'm a junior this year.
Okay.
So I'm gonna finish it on out. The 13s and 14s we got the 662, 5.8 Trinity.
If my truck don't work out, I'm looking at maybe getting like a 2014 Z28 with a 7.0 in them.
For real?
Yeah, that's my dream motor. Big 7 liter.
Right. I like.
They forgot the alphabet. Let me explain. Here it goes. A is for ambition. Be what I wanna be. See past the situation that's in front of me. Doubt is an enemy. Zep, we say.